creating our first query in Microsoft Access. What will you learn? In this lesson, you will learn how to build queries to view information in a database in a way that humans can easily understand. Before we start, let's quickly remind ourselves what we built last time. We created 3 tables: students, subjects, and school. The school table connects the other 2. It links each student to the subjects they're studying. Now, if we open the school table, we see only numbers. That's not very easy to read, right? Wouldn't it be great if we could see the actual student names and subject names instead of just the numbers? That's exactly what a query will do for us. Let's do this together. Go to the Create ribbon at the top of Access and click on Query Design. A small window on the right pops up asking which tables you want to use. We need all 3, students, subjects, and school, because the information we want comes from all of them. So, double-click each one to add it to the top section of the screen. Then click Close. On screen, we now see our 3 tables with their fields listed. They're already linked by the lines showing the relationships we created earlier. Those lines tell Access how the tables are connected, so we don't have to worry about doing that again. Below the tables, there's a big empty grid. That's where we'll build the query. Let's start selecting what we want to see. From the Students table, double-click Student Name and Student Surname. They'll appear automatically in the grid below. Next, from the Subjects table, double-click Subject Name. Finally, from the School table, double-click School ID. This will help us keep track of each record. We'll move the School ID field to the left of the query so that it appears as the first column. That's it. We've added 4 fields to our query grid. Now let's see what this looks like. At the top left of the ribbon, click Run. It's the red exclamation mark. Access switches to Datasheet View and shows the results of our query. We can now see the list of students, their surnames, and the subjects they study, all in one table. Let's save this query so we can open it anytime. And name it students underscore and subjects underscore query. Click OK. Now look at the navigation pane on the left. Your new query appears there alongside your tables. Let's double-click our query name. Each time we open it, Access automatically shows the most recent data from all 3 tables. That means if we add a new student or subject later, the query will update automatically. Let's make our query look even better. Right-click the query name and choose Design View again. In the grid, under Student Surname, click in the Sort row and choose Ascending. Now, when we run the query again, students will appear in alphabetical order by surname. Small details like this make the data easier to read. Whenever you make structural changes to your database, remember to save your work. Now let's say we need to change Maria's surname from Come-Il-Airy to Zum-Meet. All we need to do is open the Students table, make the change, close it, and then view the data in the query. As you can see, both instances of that student were updated automatically, and the list is now sorted correctly. Zum-Meet appears at the very bottom. That's one major advantage of using databases instead of simple worksheets in Excel. In our next lesson, we'll take this one step further. We'll create a form that makes data entry even easier.
Save the file on your desktop and upload it to OneDrive or Google Drive. Remember to write finished or incomplete at the end of the file name. Also, consider adding your initials at the end of the file name so you can find your own work easily.